no why for ye pa akwaba bio. What is this thing between you and the color pink?
No, like Ashwa Kumpao.
What is this thing between you and the color?
Oh my God! It's a shade pinky, a color being or the Macomoji, pop. I turn no so you fed done a room puna satin or your pinka, black eye. That's the ish.
That's the ish, I know, right?
I turn no, I turn no, obey me, Phil.
Nah,
pinky, a color beer or that Macomojo.
That's right. And you look good in pink too.
Yeah, penny has not so pink.
Now talk to me. What is happening in the world of entertainment?
And I come as Mazia.
As
we're rolling there.
As my a round one kakraka. And then Shena so left and right.
As my to me a jingle.
I'm on for more Facebook.
Jingle. Now, American jingle. Domino black eye. Minimas at say that Bisakedi Ghana or the Henoco International. Bisakedi.
What's BBC and
international, I tried Netflix for no.
Netflix, yes.
One why a young Zamahon, my and you was I a movie. Or that Deutsche there, Abofi, Wallace so Ghana, so we in a high life, so we all dum the man, de Ghana. You're queen in pop, because you can Netflix or an international company.
That's
now,
right.
Was movies now, movies are papanara, no way in see to see, say, Bisakede, Ninium Eco Pay Honomnes Day, or a big win, my
of course, for Ghana and Casa,
especially on no Bisakede now, so because or then I say no, I shut down your good times, the man. Why you to listen to yes or yes and you man was it a papano or your funeral musician? Then you know what's the day you could say.
But do we know how much it entails daily? And on the okay. What's not?
Okay, no, John Nunca can you and Chief
editor. What's not?
On Shada Mayan, Kebiara, Umbos Kebias in them. Congratulations to Bisake Day, and then congratulations to us as Ghanaians and as Africans.
That's it.
Because that's the way to go, you know.
Of course.
Now, my main free honor away from Bisa, my main car. Story be a menu bojo over social media and me feel there or assembia Ozika atasa or afutu sembia or so bia for muka kanka na me who interview be me penama bobo is in bia but me who interview be na AJ Pounds or there or feel there or an agent anyways or feel there Michi made the wrong decision on your shatter on your jai. This is because Michi Oshia Shatawale no na shatter on your Shatawale na shata onihwe onne na onye na bre na ende shata wale wa be big ma ende shata mo your president be ahwe no we no no your face one me na inti onu ze o feel there nanka on sade nko onyini jai no matter asam no most no not biara no nka shata panicha no nka sade michi oy then oje mu ma oka na
she feels there when shata was nobody onini nyina haze Tiskana Bada, she has to be there. Oh, okay.
When you know what chillabum, now on na Michi, I someone one day. Now Michi no response no, na wama, and then no. What kind of about Macacra? Because Mr. Funina, your original dama, Nuncle Oye Papa, Michi, no someone, Macadam and Coroya Brofo, into Mabashi Chum.
Okay.
Now a Bessia bar. Nasa yakitesia ba me pedeche was when they tell me. Na Michi also there. Say any benny break, not so only beer. Don't feel entitled. Memma wagon in your day and your brain when you're in tea. A shadow was that. It's a situation where you're bad, the Pana it's no ho. Ma make come when I was able to my baby. Okay. Say it took a one more on yadam. Opportunity na wenya na de ebonu ma onye de medjuma na wa so botum abo wa so ho na wa so etum enye de medjuma no na orchestra day ono onye shata je 2 years ni also wait the na ebien sanka onye shata o ha na nke bia nkoro onye da me de na ebien no
okay
atasa also the wetum so why the wa better no by going back to school
okay
nti me chi 2 years ni ma why am no ho no Sankoyi chata ho no ma na kontu monye dem opportunity no nti dem bra wetu ebu obi ma obi wa be obi no wa so ebutima abo wa so ho men feel entitled na situation dey bad but you know bro but you know abuse na say there are lots of forms of abuse not be you know or the tete una ha
it could be physical abuse, it could be emotional abuse. Yeah.
It's not what the man at the crew, which is Momodo, because 2 years, my why woman, or you just at some fiddle to be brebeno, on to my imagines me feel there, or ye a foot to cast papa, Zamahian in Catasiano, young from Nayan Somazi, on a chopper, gun in Catasia Masrawan. Woma yensunya adze kesi infri michi ne experience yo ho na American Damono Davido wa share ne experience with yen former president out there yabakado the late John Jerry Rawlings and Jerry John Rawlings now also there azokra Davido so hu ne otono do pan you also there o show people chance wo honom na okohonom no kota do kwa president and ex-president mo we say na fini calm with no security. He walked into the shop and he bought from them. So honestly, Papa, see the level of trust. John Jerry Rawlings, or Ghana from the Obian Poruntum, or Yanni Bibiara, no Bibi Monism. No, Otumonia, the Marco Kudruno, or the Masno, he spoke so much of him.
Okay.
The chair on the video. In see, not all your part there, you lose Yana president. Now, Maminka, most of you, Maminka there, Brad Charles, means in Brad Charles, you lost that Brad Charles.
Okay.
Now, in Sim get to the wing accident. That's the wing accident. Now, Yamena Dumara no, Sisiara no, Nuye. Yes, to do.
Yeah. But I'm on Facebook because I pictured him now.
Brad Charles, no, we gain see yet. Now, how do you oh.
Yeah, of course. Actually, look at the accident car.
Most boy not survive. Not in the menu say.
Wow.
No what now. Oh. Brasha I nyom na ya di bebo nyame ebra ye tiasi ebe yera di ni dia ye na what be bia no hu
yakopon na ma so to gospel poem
was so wo shabra business.
Oh yeah, of course na me
but me sign out ebe am mashu
yeah na oye mama or mama oye
mama inti mama boatsma president for the Brothers and Sisters Association aka sister mami boatima and then nyamena do mami hwini nto
sister mami boatima
sister mami boatima ha ti shiama wana from sister na ma jojo say benyina ma jojo bredo say be say so na che the sister na yeruko ye nenyo mada wana say masordo.
Okay, I watch by Ebeda CP. Thank you so very much. Fante Doll, she's looking very beautiful. Vodafone mobile money interoperability is on. Ankasa Vodafone kwana will send this cap to any other network be free. Oh, network now send this car ko other network ye juice car. Wo send Ghana 100 Ghana to 1 Ghana near the Mr. Bravo Vodafone so send 100 Ghana yen to she. Ye boa am what me save sika ankasa. Yen charge o she. Bravo Vodafone so na use Vodafone for send this car for call all the other networks. You free. What the answer by dial *110# *110#. Now was send the cash for free. Vodafone so you free and kasam. Now open atade papa twashe, open material papa twasha. Ya kona kutu free within for the one more print no a very on point and kasa any da ho efe. Nice designs and kasa open be ato apamashe and now be ato achubia. Make sure so the beche within shops beer. One can code money on my Ghana Mabina Woodin Papa. Woody was a le creator.